We're definitely busy here.
It seems like every half hour a plane's taking off or returning, so it's pretty busy.
It makes us feel good out here to know that we're helping guys out there on the ground.
They go from medevac to fueling fighters, so that's a pretty important mission for them to be flying.
What we do is an air refueling mission. You know, a lot of times people ask about air refueling. This is up close and personal, combat aircraft coming up, taking gas. What it gives them is persistence. It gives them the ability to stay out on the target longer. If there's troops in contact, what we call a tick, they can come up, get gas, come back down, and be in a position to be a benefit.
It's pretty amazing. It's something I've always been amazed with, just getting gas in the air and their ability to react quickly and give us gas when we need it. Those guys are always there, ready to go.
The tanker can hold up to 30,000 gallons. That's a lot of fuel. My job here is working on the KC-135Rs. I make sure this aircraft is airworthy, ready to fly, and to meet mission requirements. It's important to me, and it's important to all maintainers. I know that after I leave this jet, nobody else is going to look at it, and there's going to be an air crew coming to that airplane. They're putting their lives in my hands and trusting me that this airplane is ready to go.
Well, the maintenance guys rock. They keep our airplanes flying. It's a 50-year-old airplane, and there's no way those airplanes would be able to stay in the air if we didn't have maintenance catching us and launching us every day. These guys are flying non-stop, constant abrasion, and constant flying, so there's no way we'd do our mission without them.
Guys are working on airplanes that are much older than they are, and they turn them as rapidly as possible, sometimes in less than 4 hours, and put them back out in the air.
All the fighter guys are really appreciative of all the effort the tanker guys put in, and especially when they take the initiative to try to help us out and get us the gas we need when we're in a situation that becomes tight on fuel. And these guys are always willing to squeeze that extra couple thousand pounds to make sure that we can get home safely.
Passing gas in the air is one of the hallmarks of the American Air Force. We do it better, faster, further than anybody else in the world.